Let's go to the ice cream store. Map, how do we get there?
Go 9 degrees to get to the ice cream shop.
Okay, let's go! Hey, this isn't the ice cream shop.
Let's learn about angles. From 0 to 90 is 90 degrees. From 0 to 180 is 180 degrees. And from 0 to 270 is 270 degrees. And 0 all the way back to 0 is 360. The initial side is where you start, and the terminal side is where you finish.
If there's a place you gotta go, I'm the one you need.
The coterminal degree is the terminal degree plus or minus 360. If your terminal degree is 90, you would add 360 to give you the coterminal degree of 450. Or you can do 90 minus 360 and get 270. Here's some practice problems.
Okay, let's go back to the ice cream shop.
I'm gonna mix up your map.
Oh no, Justin changed degrees to radians.
It's okay, the math map can teach you how to change it back. In order to change degrees to radians, you have to multiply by pi over 180. 90 times pi over 1 times 180 will give you 90 pi over 180, which can simplify to be pi over 2. You also have to know to change radians to degrees. To do that, you have to multiply by 180 over pi. Pi over 2 times 180 over pi will give you 180 pi over 2 pi. The pi's will cancel out, which leaves you with 180 over 2, which can simplify to be 90 degrees. Here's some practice problems.
Yay, we're here! I have a question. Is going inside the same as going all the way around?
In order to figure that out, we have to find the length of the blue arc. That equation is S equals R theta. S is the arc length, R is the radius, and theta is the angle in radians. The radius of your grid is 6 kilometers and the theta is 90 degrees. And remember, we have to change it to radians. To change it to radians, it's pi over 180, and to change it back to degrees, it's 180 over pi, which gives you pi over 2. So now you multiply the radius by the new theta in radians. 6 times pi over 2 will give you 6 pi over 2, and that simplifies to give you 3 pi. Finally, 3 pi is equal to 9.42 kilometers. You also might want to know the area between the house and the ice cream shop. That equation is A equals 1/2 r squared theta. A is the area, r is the radius, and theta is the angle also in radians. Remember, the radius is 6 kilometers and the theta is 90 degrees. But first, we have to change theta to radians. 90 degrees in radians is pi over 2. So now you can multiply everything together. 6 squared will give you 36. And 36 times 1/2 will give you 18. 18 times pi over 2 will give you 9 pi. And 9 pi is 28.27 kilometers squared. So the sector is 9.42 kilometers and the area is 28.27 kilometers squared. Here's some practice problems.